Hi everybody! So I do not have any makeup on right now. That is because I am about to do a wonderful Glossier unboxing and first impressions. I ordered 3 things, so I figured I'd go ahead and talk about them. I recently became obsessed with Glossier. First of all, this is just very cute, and then there's a little sticker that says, "Have a nice day." So yeah, I've just recently become obsessed with them. They are very aesthetically pleasing. Can I do this without looking? Alright, so... You look good. This is so gosh dang adorable. Oh wow. I got some stickers. Every order comes with stickers and you can decorate your products with them, which I think is very cute. Also, you all know I love stickers. Probably. Fun newsflash, I love stickers. This is very fancy. Oh, sent me like 2 postcard things with hands on them. They just say hi. We finally meet. It's really nice here. I've never seen that before. That's really interesting. Fun. And then they also sent this little Glossier sticker. Alright, so... Ooh, oh wow. So everything is in this lovely pink bubble wrap little satchel. This looks like it would be so nice for traveling, for makeup. And it's like a little zip. So, first of all, we have the sample I chose. They had 3 options. I think there was a perfume, face wash, the jelly face wash, and then I chose the primer just because I'm thinking about getting this. Alright, and then into the actual products I ordered. I got 3 things. First of which is Super Pure. This is a essence or serum. Oh, all the packaging has like little smiley faces on it. I'm hoping you can't hear the children screaming outside because I live next to an elementary school and it's constantly recess. I don't know how school schedules work, but there always are kids outside screaming and it's kind of scary. I'm just like, I don't know what to do. But here is the Super Pure. This is to calm breakout prone skin and redness. Apply over clean face and follow with moisturizer. So I got this because I was going through a pretty bad breakout over the last week when I made this order. And it was really stressing me out because I feel like when you're stressed and you break out, nothing makes you more stressed than breaking out. At least that's the case for me. I tend to get a lot of like really small acne on my forehead as well as like in my T-zone. So I just, this is a hope that it'll help with stuff like that when I am having a bit of a flare-up. Next, I got the Stretch Concealer. I got this in medium and I'm afraid it's gonna be too dark. Like, I'm looking at myself now and I'm like, you're pretty pale. You maybe should have gone for light. But I do this every time. That's not gonna work. Okay, well I've heard that they're very good about customer service and if you get the wrong color. Oh, I kind of knew that it was gonna be the wrong color as soon as I saw some other reviews of people. I don't know why I think I'm tanner than I am. When I was younger, I used to always get medium coverage color stuff because I used to be far more tanner because I used to not wear sunscreen every day, but... Oh, that's a bummer. Well then, the last thing I got, which should be good, is I got Boy Brow, which is one of their most popular products. It's for doing your eyebrows. Ooh, this is so cute. It's like a little mascara, and oh, it's like such a pasty consistency, but it's like a dark brown. So I guess I should go ahead and put at least the 2 things I can put on. Let's go. Also though, I'm bummed out because this packaging is so pretty. Maybe this will work in the summer for me, or maybe I can give it to a friend who's not as pale as I am. I never used to be this pale. Is this really uncomfortable if we're this close? Also, you can see my anime figures in the background. Good. Oh, my lips are so chapped. And I'm gonna take my glasses off, so I look very awake right now. This is me. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try the Super Pure. I'm gonna just try and put it on my forehead and maybe my chin and my nose. How bad does my skin look? It looks medium, okay. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use it once a day. That's what it says on the website. And, oh, how do I usually do this sort of thing? How do I apply my other serums? I suddenly have forgotten everything I know. Ooh, oh, it's so cool. And runny? It has a smell I can't explain. It's me. Nothing has immediately. Oh wow, that feels so nice on my skin. My skin feels so nice, just like the texture it leaves, because I'm really used to using. This is the serum I use on a daily basis, which is one I got at TJ Maxx. I don't know, I think it's an Urban Outfitters brand, but it's a vitamin C and magnesium serum, and it leaves my skin feeling so tacky, and I hate using it because of that. But like, this one is, it feels really nice on my skin. That's 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. Of course, I don't know if it's gonna do anything for my skin, but that is nice. Okay, just let me touch my face more. Might as well use the primer too. So I don't have skin, my skin is so complicated. Skin's so weird. I wouldn't say I have really fully combination skin. I usually classify my skin as like normal because it's like my skin gets dry when it's cold out and oily when it's warm out. But I've been having worse flare-ups with acne recently, and my skin just does get dry patches as well, so I've been like, maybe I should commit to calling it combo because it's definitely not oily, definitely not dry. So I was really interested in trying this. I of course didn't buy it because I've heard mixed things about it, and I've heard some people like the thicker moisturizer a lot better, but I don't think my skin needs that. I should just try. I'm talking a lot, I'm sorry. Let's give it a go. Doesn't smell like anything. I like the feeling of this. Wow. Oh, this does feel quite nice. I understand the appeal. It doesn't feel like it's gonna be a moisturizer that's gonna be like oily on my skin, which is why I tend to not wear moisturizers during the day. I tend to just wear sunscreen because my sunscreen makes my skin so oily that I don't want to put a moisturizer on as well, because I'm always afraid that that's gonna be like excessive and really make my skin kind of like freak out. Even though like looking in the camera, my skin really doesn't look bad right now. Last week it was a mess. Thank you for surviving last week with me, skin. Yeah, it doesn't have like any smell. Well, I feel very fresh. There's still more in here. I don't know, should I put it on my neck more, on my hands more? Alright, now is when of course I would use the stretch concealer, but I'm not gonna use it because it doesn't match my skin color. I'll plan on emailing the customer service and asking them if I can return this and get it in shade light. But I have heard good things about this, so that's kind of a bummer. But that's not my part. That's like not the company's fault. That's me thinking I'm tan. You're not tan. Oh, am I too blurry back there? Do I need to be up here? Oh, I'm so bad with this camera. So last but not least, let's give Boy Brow a try. I have pretty thick brows that are fairly uneven, also not very shapely right now. I've had a mixed relationship with my brows, but I thought that this would be a good product for me because they are pretty thick. I just have like patches that I kind of want to fill in. So I'm just gonna hold up my mirror and give it a go, see what I can do, see what it looks like. I do have pretty dark eyebrows. Oh yeah, well. So this is one of those things where I'm like, I don't have black eyebrows, so I don't want to get the black shade, but oh, this is interesting. It definitely feels like a brow gel when I put it like on. If you ever wore brow gel as a kid, I definitely had clear brow gel that I would brush through my brows when I was younger. I don't know why, I just liked doing that. It just felt like it was part of my makeup routine as a kid, I guess. What do you all think? Ooh. That one brow. Oh, why do my brows look so uneven? Oh, it's this one that's off. Okay, is that better? God, wow, I need to get them done by someone who isn't me. I'm seeing it a bit more now. I actually don't mind this. Maybe I should get a second opinion. How does it look? How do I look? Is this okay? Okay, the more I wear it, the more okay with it I am. This is gonna be such a weird video for me to edit. Alright, so that's my adventure in trying out some Glossier products. If you're interested in making a first order, I'll put my 10% off coupon in the description because everybody gets one of these when they order. Let's put my glasses back on. Does this like fix my eyebrow problem? Just hide them. That's what my dark pair of glasses are good for if I'm having a really bad eyebrow day. So my conclusion in this experience, packaging, gorgeous. Like this is all just beautiful, beautiful stuff. Like who doesn't love this? I love the feeling of the serum on my skin. I'll maybe check in later after a few weeks of using it to see, to show you all if it has helped with the small acne I get on my forehead as well as any other spots, which I do get like on a weekly basis. I'm gonna keep trying to use the boy brow. I don't know. I like it more the more I use it, or the more I like see it, but I think maybe I have to like give it some time. I think I'm used to my eyebrows being a bit darker from the pencil I usually use to fill them in. But yeah, and then so lesson learned, you're paler than you think you are. Paler than I think I am. Yeah, so I will write in the description how emailing Glossier goes, and if it goes well. I've heard good things. This has been interesting. A bit of a mess. Also, I'm sorry. I want to apologize for continuing to look at myself all the time when I record. I'm still not used to this camera. So let me know what you think of my eyebrows, what you think of my skin with this primer. I love the primer actually. I think I will get it. I'm gonna see how it feels tonight and I guess tomorrow, but if I still feel good about it and if I don't feel too like gross and greasy, I might just go for it and buy it. We'll see. Also, I'm sorry, my lips are really chapped in this video. This is just unattractive. Let's make myself really blurry so you just can't see. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like or subscribe if you'd like to see more skincare and beauty, because that's obviously what this channel is all about. My content has no main theme. I'm gonna go now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!